What's up guys, welcome to another video out here in Shark Bay, day 5 I believe.
That's right.
With Jake Reed. It's been so awesome so far. We found some amazing spots and we've come back to one of our favorites today for a mini expedition. There's some red dirt that goes into the aqua water just across this massive lagoon, and we want to take some wicked drone photos. There's going to be some bangers. We've got a kayak that's going to fit Jake and our gear. I've got to swim though. It's a bit cold, but we're going to get across this lagoon, take some amazing photos. That's the goal of this expedition, and let's hope it goes well. Let's get into it. We made it across.
Yeah, we did.
Decent amount of distance to get over here, but we are pretty stoked. There's some beautiful landscapes on this side of the lagoon. They're a bit more inaccessible, but we do what it takes to get here. Look at this, these red sand dunes, and they go right into the blue water. The red sand turns to white. This is like another world. It's crazy. We're gonna get some bangers on the drone with the blue kayak on the red sand. That's our current mission. We ran out of drone batteries, but I think we got some good photos. They're just chilling on these dunes. Oh man, this is good. So we're just chilling on the dunes, and look what we spotted. This is something else. These dolphins are 2 meters from me. Wow. That is cool. That is really cool. Wow. This is right deep into the lagoon. Which is really surprising. Like, we just kayaked here. We've been chilling up in the dunes. The dolphins are right here. Wow. Unfortunately, didn't quite catch up to those dolphins on the kayak, and we're out of drone batteries, so we missed out a little bit, but it was pretty awesome to watch them in this lagoon. As far as wildlife goes, I've got probably a couple hundred of these crabs on the beach here. They are absolutely legging it, but they're pretty cool. We're gonna head into Denham now, grab some lunch, and then we're off for some beach camping again tonight.